Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at Bizyjoe.com. So today I'll be guiding you through on how to sell on Jiji. So Jiji is one of the largest online marketplace in Nigeria, which offers you the ability to sell both your physical products and services. So there are so many things that you can sell on Jiji. So but before I proceed, I would like to show you some things on my channel. If you are first time of visiting my channel, Bizyjoe.com, you can click the subscription button to subscribe to my channel so that I don't miss out on any of my new release. So on Bizyjoe Technology, we offer some services such as web design, app design, SMM, graphic design, and so on. So you can contact us for any of these services or refer us to your friends for a commission. And on our channel, we have some great content on our channel, ranging from blogging, how to make money online, how to set up your online business, and a whole lot of content. You can go to our channel and see for yourself. So we have so many videos here, and you can spend most of your time here watching our content and great content. Do well to share our videos with your friends and loved ones so that they don't miss out on any of the opportunity on our channel. So let's go to Jiji.com. So Jiji.com, I'll be leaving the link on the description box below. So this is the official website, Jiji.ng. So this is their website. So they offer so many services. You can say so many products on Jiji currently. Both your property, your vehicle, your electronics, your home appliances, your furniture, and all that. You can even sell your service as digital marketer. Some people don't know that they can sell their services on Gigi. Any digital service or anything, you can sell it. Even get job on Gigi. You can post your jobs and even apply for jobs on Gigi. Job within your vicinity. Some people don't know that. So always check on Gigi for that. So for this video actually is for businesses that want to sell their products on Gigi. So but if you're individual looking for maybe uh, job opportunity, looking for product to buy on Gigi, it's very simple. You can come here, search for any job you want. You can contact the seller. You can chat with the seller through their they have a chat option. You can chat with them, negotiate. The prices there are not fixed. You can negotiate with them. Then once you agree on the price, you can either pay on delivery or you transfer, then the seller will send the product to you. Then also be aware of scam and all that. So be aware of that. So let me go on to show you how to sell on Gigi. So if you want to sell, if you're a new customer, you need to sign up on Gigi. Very simple. Click on the sign up button and sign. So if you want to sell, it's either you click on this sell button right here, or you click on you want to sell something, post an advert for free. So let me click on I want to sell. So the first thing to do here is to select your category. The category of what you want to sell, whether you want to sell agricultural food products, animal pets, and all that. So let me go with services. But your product or service must be listed on any of these categories. So let me go to services. So let me select computer and IT service. It's just very simple. Just then you choose your location. Select your location. Your current location is since is a digital service. I will say my location should be Port Harcourt, that's Rivers State. So let me go down to let me go. Where is Rivers State? Okay, let me type it. Okay, Rivers State. Or you can choose maybe a city, maybe Port Harcourt or something like that. But let me leave my location to be broad. So I will select picture of my. So this picture must be unique. So you can go to Canva. I have a tutorial on my channel on how to design on Canva. Let me select this particular video for the purpose of this course. I'm using this for the purpose of this course. So the image must be at least 600. As you can see, the image must be 600 pixels. Sure you get. So let me know that I can see another picture on my desktop. Let me know. Let me check. Okay, let me check this one, if it will work. So as the image is still loading, okay, this one does not even fit. So you just make sure to follow this 600 pixel. So let me go to next. Okay, my location is not selected. Let me just choose Abuja. Let me choose Central Business. Okay. Then let me go to then this you select the title. So for the purpose of this, if you're new in doing this, you don't need to reinvent the way. What you need to do is just to go back to Gigi, back to Gigi.com. That's what I normally do. I go to Gigi.com, then I will search. Maybe I want to add my website, I want to add my service that's web design, or any product I want to add, any product I want to add, just go to web design. So I'll go back to Gigi and I'll copy this. I'll go back to Gigi, type web design and paste it. I'll paste web design and search. Let me see what people are doing. You understand? This is just how you don't need to stress yourself too much trying to think and figure out. See what other people are doing. People that are here, this guy is offering web designing for 50,000 per service. This is 100,000 per. Okay, these are web design. These are web design. These are protocol. These are web design stuff. So as you can see, these are what these people are doing. No need to reinvent the wheel. So what I need to do, I can click on. I will open two of these. I'll just open two. I click on open two and see what actually these people are doing. So these are the picture the guy put. Web design services. This okay. So this guy, okay, Port Harcourt, SEO campaign and all that. So I have seen okay this sample. So what I need to do, I'll go back to my GG. So the company name is Bizyjoe Technologies. For you, you can put your company name, then type of service, digital marketing, there is programming and tech. Okay, let's go to programming and tech. So the title here, as you can see, their own title. This is web design and development. This Port Harcourt top web design and development. If you even want to go further, if you want to go further, you can go to Fiverr. You can go to Fiverr or Upwork, Fiverr.com. You can go to Fiverr and also see what people, the kind of title, description, and people put there. You understand? Just go and do your research, see the type of type because you are selling yourself. You want to put in something that will convince people to hire you. As you can see, there are a lot of competition out there. So you want to put in content that once a client see that he will be eager to hire you and contact you for web design. I've been contacted for so many time on Gigi. I've been contacted. I've not even paid anything on promotion. I just put it there. So what I need to do, I just type web design. The way you are doing this is to see what is working in your industry, what is working for you. So I will click on web design and development. Let me go on web design and development and see. Let me see what people are doing. Let me see the kind of title, the kind of description that convince people. So as this thing is loading, if you are first time or visiting my channel bizyjoe.com, please do well to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime that I post an awesome video like this. So what these are web design and development on Fiverr. So let me just open one client. Let me open the first client since this guy is appearing as the first client, as the first seller of this particular service. So let me open it. So I will do web design, web. I will do WordPress website development and web design. So this is about the gig. Okay, so this is what I even do. I think this Fiverr own is even much professional than that of those ones on Gigi. So what I need to do is just to let me change the title since they say it's one web design and development, web design and development. Okay, so let me leave it like that. Let me leave the title short. So specialization is very simple. You can select a specialization, e-commerce development. Then you can choose so many options here. Let me choose I will choose WooCommerce. If WordPress is here, BigCommerce. Okay. Let me choose Spotify. Just select just select your options. You can even select others. Then you put your price. You can put your price per service. As you can see from here, from what I'm seeing here, what they are having is 50,000, 100,000. This guy is contact for price. This 50,000. So you see the price per web design is within the range between 50 to 100,000. Bear it in mind that this guy that is putting 50,000, it's not that he's using 50,000 to design this. This 50,000 can be the least type of website that you can design. It can even be a one-page website. So you're just putting this to get clients. Do you understand? So you don't go and maybe put 200,000, maybe one a client will be guy is joking. So let's if we can even make our own 100K. But if you are starting, it's better you just leave it at that 50K. So when a client contacts you, then depending on the kind of website he's designing, then you can increase your charges or all that. So the description, okay, my this thing is too much. Let me remove some. They say it's too much. Okay, it's okay now. So my description now, what I will do is that I will go to Fiverr. I will copy this. I will copy this. I will copy I will copy this. When I copy this, what I need to do is just to go to I will copy this Ctrl C, then I will go back to Gigi. I will paste this. Do you understand? There are limit there are number of words that you can use here. So it is 850. As you can see, they have okay, let me remove this. You don't just go and copy something online and go and paste. You are copying and editing it. As I can say, I cannot just paste this thing like this. This is about the gig. There's nothing to do with gig on GG. So I will remove this. You understand? It's description of your product. Yeah, you are selling yourself. First, you explain your this thing. So you need to rewrite this thing. You don't just copy and paste it. So you just rewrite this to suit the service you are offering. So I will then just rewrite everything here. Know how to rewrite it. Or I can even make use of JTP. Just go to chat JTP. You will tell that JTP. I've used that to a lot. Hi, write a description for a web design service for a client. A short description, not more than 800 words, to convince my client to hire me. It will write a detailed description for you on any particular service, on any particular product you're writing about. Once you just put it here, then after everything, your phone number, once you register, your phone number will be here, your business name will be here. So then since I'm if there are so many options, you can choose standard ad, you can choose top ad, then you can best boost premium. All these things, this 2005, this 2,899 is for 7 days. You understand? If you want it to be 30 days, it is 5,499. This is the cheapest you can get in the world. This is cheapest to promote your business for 30 days, you're paying just 5,499, and they have a massive audience. So if you want to go to premium, the premium is 14,699. So this premium is your ad are showing at the top. These things are good for business. If you are doing business and you are not on JJ, you are missing a lot. Any form of business in Nigeria, you are doing it and you're not on JJ, you are missing a lot. So once you are done and all that, so what you need to do is just to click on post ad. Once you click on post ad, your ad will go under review for about some minutes or hours, as the case may be. Then once it's approved, it will appear on Gigi. So once somebody search on Gigi, go to Gigi and search. Let me Once somebody goes to Jiji and search about web design and development, once especially in your location, once you search, maybe as you listed your product in Port Harcourt, so once somebody search web design and development, then by default, Jiji will check the location of that person. It will show your ad to that particular person. Then that person can contact you. Hey, I need a web design. How much and all that. So that's how to create and sell on Jiji. It's very very simple and very easy. So if you are not on Jiji, go now and register on Jiji. Start selling your products on Jiji and services on Jiji. So if you find any value in this video, please do well to subscribe to our channel, share and like our video to our friends and family and all that. So do have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching this video.